Hey, SEP401, Matt here. Today we're going to talk about the second part of this create task where we have to make a short video of us just running the program. And I want to explain it in a video and show you how you can do that using Screencastify. So basically, it says submit one video file that demonstrates the running of your program. You must demonstrate input to your program. So that's, you clicking keys or putting information in. One aspect of the functionality, I mean, that's easy. It's going to happen when you play it. Output produced by your program, so it might be like game over or a message that you get back. It can't contain distinguishing information about yourself or voice narration, so you're not going to talk during this. You're just going to display it, the game being played. It's got to be in these formats, and we'll talk about that. It can't be more than a minute and less than 30 megs, so we will talk about that as well. So how do we even do this? The first thing I want you guys to do in this classroom assignment, I'm giving you a link to Screencastify. That'll take you to the Chrome Web Store, and hopefully you should be able to just click Add to Chrome. I'm going to do it here on my screen. I'm adding the Screencastify extension, and it does a little download thing, and then all of a sudden it says it has been added to Chrome. And then up here, I don't know if you can see my screen. Up here, I've got an extensions list. I'm on a Mac, you're on a Chromebook. It'll be a little different, but you can see Screencastify is here. So when I click on it, it opens up a tiny, oh, it wants me to sign in with Google. Okay, sure, yeah, I'll sign in with Google. I'm going to sign in with my Innovation account, and it welcomes me to Screencastify. I agree. I don't want occasional emails, but I do agree to their privacy terms. I hit OK. I'm a teacher. You're a student. I don't think it'll matter too much. They want information about me. OK, fine. Maybe later. We don't need access to webcam and microphone. So I'm going to say maybe later, because you actually should not have your mic or your webcam for this particular video. Annotations, that's good. I'm going to enable those tools, and we're good to go, it says. So hopefully I can start, I can close this page and start recording, it says. So I'm going to close the page, and here I am, back on the Chrome page. I'm going to head on over to Snap, and I'm going to run Snap and open up, let's say I'm opening up my project. Just as an example, let's open this up. So here's my project. Let's pretend this was my final. I'm going to kind of show the code out here because I want to see it. And I'm going to show this code. And maybe, just for the heck of it, I will open this code up as well while I'm playing. You have to make that decision. I just want them to see that this algorithm is an abstraction. It's here. But now I'm just gonna record a short 1-minute video of me playing this. So I go to Screencastify, I go Screencastify. I'm going to do the browser tab that I'm in. I don't need microphone, I don't need camera, and I can just hit record. I'm not gonna talk during this because you shouldn't be talking either. Counts down 3, 2, 1. Actually, I will talk, but you guys don't talk. I hit the play button, I'm playing the game. Here I am, trying to play my game. My guy's moving really slow, but I'm doing it, and you can see that the green flag is highlighted over there, and I'm picking up a candle. Things are really slow right now on Snap, which is annoying, but I'm actually doing the game. I'm showing a few things. I'm making sure they're seeing game output. They're seeing a list. They're seeing things happen. I might flip to a couple other sprites while I'm here in the game to show their code. It looks like my screen's going really slow though from this, so this might happen to you too, but it's okay. And I think that's it. So now I'm going to go back to Screencastify, click Screencastify again. It looks like I'm just under a minute. I hit stop, and that was it. You made your first video. I'm gonna skip the tour, and so it looks like I can do the following things: download or export as MP4. Well, guess what? MP4 is one of the formats we can use, so that's Great. I wonder what happens when I download it. What do I get? I get some weird web file. So really I just want export as MP4. Convert to fixed frame rate. Okay, sure. Yeah, 30 frames. We'll export. I'm going to export that video. So now I'm getting an MP4. It should be downloading to my computer, and that's what I'm going to turn in on the website. It also looks like I can trim this video too, which is awesome. You guys probably know this better than I do. But if I go over a minute, I think I can trim just by dragging this icon. So if I didn't want the very end and I didn't want part of the very beginning, it looks like I can take that out and hit Save Trim. And trimming replaces original video. That's okay. I would probably have to download it again. But this is the sort of workflow. And that was it. Like it's got to be under a minute. So it's a short video and it should show some things. So did I show input to my program? Yes, I showed that my keys were running the program because I opened up that part of the code. At least one aspect of the functionality, yeah, you could see I went to grab a candle and I put it on the cake. So I'm grabbing items and I'm showing them the function of the game. Output produced. Yeah, it showed output because the cake said something as a result of my doing something. That's output. Video may not contain information about myself. Nope. Voice narration. No, don't talk during it. It's an MP3. It's under a minute in length. Now I just need to check on the size. Is it under 30 megabytes? So that's when I would check the size by looking at my download folder and seeing how big it is. If it is over 30 megs, talk with me and I can help you, and we will troubleshoot ways to compress your video to make it smaller. Basically, today's assignment is to do just what I did. Make a short video of your program working, even if your program is not finished yet. Make that video now because these are due next week on Thursday, and it's good to just have this done. It's an easy thing to have done, even if you don't have the whole thing finished, because you're only showing a minute of your program. All right, see you next time.